Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your Taimi account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I'm already logged in and this is my particular profile's homepage. So to simply change your password, all you have to do is tap on this ripple-like icon on the bottom right corner of the list next to bell icon. Tap on it. You're onto your own profile. Now tap on this three-dotted straight line on the top right corner of the list. You'll below Revise option. Tap on the settings option on the bottom of the list. Here, you have an option of changing password by simply scrolling down onto this account section. Tap on change account password. Now keep your old password that you had been using. And then keep the very new password that you want to keep. And when you're done, you can tap on change password, avoid forgot password. Just wait for it and you can see that your account's password has been changed. Now you can simply get logged out and use your very new password. So this is how you do it. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.